What's up? Life is a Mission TV. Wagwan. Life is good. Life is great. God is good. God is great. Going up like age, and we're not coming down. Life is a Mission TV. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. When a video drop, you just hit that thumbs up and give the video a like. You know, and continue to share the videos in your WhatsApp and stuff like that. Introduce your friend to the channel, family oriented channel. You don't know, cook vlog, general reasoning, you know, commentary happenings and a whole, you know. And you don't know, as me say, adventures to come. Well, my people, me have a little video I want to share with you now. You understand? Because right now, me are telling my people, I don't know where the future go. Because right now, society, what going on in a society right now don't look good, my people. Because here what going on. Even now me I make this video, there is a, as you can see me post on a post before this, where them just hit another brains in the Yala St. Thomas area. And remember when me a youth I grew up, man always only a dream to do them something there. Now it just coming like it's a show. Well, you know, say you watch a show and it just everything just orchestrated and set up. Yeah, I saw it look now in doing such things. Man no fear no more. Because when you see this man with high power weapon, you wonder for police. Because even this video, you, when me recently post, when me just see the video and see the man them stand up, and me hear pam 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 pam, and I see the man them run off. I think it was police and some form of operation, and then them hear the shots fired from one section to the other section, so them run to them vehicle to move towards. In the long when me hear say, is another brains get hit. Another money truck. But the main part of this video, my people, is that we are going in our school with these school children and teachers I get out of hand. Just the same as how these things I get out of hand. And if it in the schools right now with kids, people, persons who supposed to be kids, I behave like adults. One war, one fight, one stab up teacher, stab up pitney and everybody. Where the future hold? The future not hold nothing. You have to just probably think about your future, but not the future and a whole. You don't have to just hope and pray. You understand, for the best. Because honestly, when me I go to school, me not see them something in a school. People just watch this video and then me get back to you. Yes, my people. You want to see what me I show you? A school that's a school in Kingston. You understand? Yeah, my people. That's a school with kids. When me I go to school back in my days, I don't say you don't have little things like this, but not as often how we see it now. You used to have a little one-off thing where we happen now and again in our school where you get a little one jam with a pencil or a pen or two little physical punch out. You understand? And a man might bust up or something. But not as often as how you hear it. You can prepare for it to hear it like even once a day out of every day of the week. If it's not this section of the country, that section or that section or that section. In my days, me remember, you know, see no student and no teacher fight. Student afraid of teacher. But nowadays, student are stand up to teacher. A war teacher. About big half a laspan teacher. Big knife. If you don't mind chop him come out with him pie. You understand what I say? And it don't look good. Where are the youths going of today? And it come back down to where I say, most of these kids, some of them are unwanted pitney. You understand? Mother just lie down and just whoop with anybody. No man with no responsibility. You understand? So these kids grew up without proper parental guidance. I'm not going to say kids with proper parental guidance don't swing that way too, you know. But the percentage are low. You understand? Because most of these kids are mixed with adults from a tender age where influence them, tell them things, show them things. You understand? Give them things. So them grew up feel like they're adults. So when them out of the sight of them parents, them figure more or less, oh, them a big man, them a this, so them do anything them want to do. And to them know John around this as an adult, they show them piece of iron. You understand? Them feel like them can go get the iron or John give them the iron for put on also. So them know them have it can go run, go for without John know. So them figure more or less they're untouchable, them bad. Them are big people. Too often now we are hear this in a school. Student are dirt student. Student are stab up teacher. The last disgusting one I see. One little, no more than about 6 or 7, 8 year old. A stone down a whole classroom in a school with Pitney and teacher. And when the next teacher out there talk to him. When the next teacher out there talk to him not take no talk. The more she could have do a video for evidence and prove. Where are this society of kids going? I don't see no future. If God not take that wheel of my people in the next couple of years, you can't even pass a man and look upon him. Because probably the type of man him is, and him see you look upon him, him figure more or less, him feel threatened. Because him paranoid. You just look at that school now. Pitney I run from Pitney. Whatsoever. Whole heap of red syrup dash way. And look we spot it dash to him if you lift up right to the left side. What's about left or right? We don't even know, but it's a body something like upon a hand where you know say boy yeah. So you know say from a man go for up here so ayo. I go him go for dirt here. Him no matter what happen. As well, him can be the aggressor also, you know. Because I don't know what really happened. Or what transpire. He can be the aggressor. And him just get a coward one. Because him underrate the person. And the person just give him a coward one. It can be the case where him fatigue this person all along. And this person plan for him one day. Or that morning. Whichever case it may go. But as me I say, it just don't look good. These are the kids them where we are look for a future. For carry on when we as older persons gone. When we get all of them are carry on the mantle. We are look for carry on the mantle. And if this is them behavior, it don't make no sense. Because out of 100%, 10 going to come out. 10 can't manage the system. You understand? 10% out of 100 cannot transform the system. Because not all the 100% are go bad. But look at 10% cannot transform the system onto the next level. So we need a higher percentage than that. But it don't look like it going to happen based on what we see a transpire in and out, day in, day out. It not getting any better. You understand what I say? People, it don't look good. The dread. Father God, just do what you can do, because you have the power to do anything, you know. You understand, and you know what's best. Life is a mission, people. Just stay tuned for more videos like these and more reasoning like this, you know, because this is what the channel is all about. As I say, family-oriented reasoning, commentary, you know, whatever needs necessary. We need to come and highlight certain things. We will do it, you know, and stuff like that. And just remember the adventure to come. So just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Life is a Mission TV. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know. Press that thumbs up when you hit the video. And please remember to share it in your WhatsApp contact so more people can gravitate to the channel. Alright? Thanks for watching. I'm out.